Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your BMW X3 car key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace. This ensures you won't lose any tiny components and can clearly see each step. It's a simple process, but preparation is key for a smooth replacement. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation, usually on the side. Gently insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a careful twisting or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate. Take your time here. You don't want to damage the plastic. It should come apart with minimal force. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And speaking of things that last, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously amazing. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note or even a photo of its orientation. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Now, carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Then, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This step is straightforward. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Make sure all the internal components are seated correctly before pressing them together. You should hear a satisfying click as the halves snap securely into place. Once reassembled, immediately test all the key fob's functions, like locking, unlocking, and the trunk release, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.